Morning, morning. Welcome back to Parrot. I'm your host Gabriel. Today we're going to a very beautiful site. 今天我们要去一个鸟友家。It's located on top of a small, very small mountain. I don't know what to call it. A very small mountain, and the birds you can see the surroundings really, really far away from there. Oh, thanks to our dear friend Sir Urban last week in Pabanga. It was a really nice event. I think almost 200 people. I don't know how many birds. 300, 400? I don't know. The only problem is too far away. I got up at 2:30 actually. Good thing I'm getting old, so I don't need that much sleep anymore. Luffy. Let's go. Luffy. No, we're going to somewhere in Los Banos, Laguna. It's gonna cost us 1 hour, around 20 minutes. 63 kilometers. Let's go. Okay, we're gonna take this roller to go up there on top of the small mountain to fly our birds. This is the second time we've been here. Bye! Welcome to Philippines. My what? Not my classmate. We used to study in the same college. University. Yeah. This is his first time being in the Philippines, and we're here. That's bad news. We're here to get on top of the mountain and then fly our birds. See you later. Check out, let's see who's here today. Okay. How old is this one?
2 months.
2 months. 2个月大的玄否. You know, during the time I wasn't here, Noah gained another around 70 grams of weight. I was worried that he cannot fly here because it's on top of the small mountain. It turns out Noah's okay. He tried his best to climb up from the bottom. Here, you can see it. It's pretty hard, actually, in my eyes. Noah needs to fly more or lose some weight. Both sides, I think it's okay for me. It depends on him. We'll see soon. Noah fly high in the sky.
1, 2, fly!
Yeah, they're flying good. I see Noah and Luffy flying together. And there are 6 other macaw in front. Oh, they're going to the lake.
Yeah, they're going. Oh, they are all going to the lake.
See you at home. Luffy and Noah is back.
There's the highest here, no?
Yeah, here's in here. I think Noah is it's too hard. It's too tired. Noah. Ah, good, Noah. Noah is late. Too tired. Yeah, 3 macaws here. 2 there. 3 there. 2 there. Eh? Where's the other one? We thought we have 6.
Oh, ito na. They're coming back. Yeah, they're coming back.
3 here and 3 there, and Luffy in between. 1 back. Yeah. 3 there. And Luffy here. Luffy is playing hard. He likes here. 1 back. Good. 3 to go. Oh. Luffy. Good. Don't bite me, huh? 2 back. Oh. Good. Good one. Okay, it's still raining. I think we're gonna go. We're gonna pack and go back. So leave your comment below. 好，今天就到这儿了，飞完了，准备收拾东西回家了。评论、点赞啊，拜拜，see you next round.